Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to One Life. It's been a while, but I'm back and we're going to stay consistent now. I want to start this video by saying a big thank you to all the new subscribers. I've had a few in the last few weeks and I appreciate every single one of you, so keep it coming, keep that support, and I'll keep building this channel. So today's video is to introduce you guys to my new car, the channel's new car. I'm sorry about the traffic in the background, we'll have to bear with that today. It's a Ford Fiesta S. It's not an ST, unfortunately, but it's going to be modded to eventually be probably better than an ST. So over the next few videos we're going to do different mods on it and build it up to be a little bit of a track car. It is my daily driver at the moment, so I'm trying to sort of look after it, but it is getting used for work and stuff every day. So we'll start off now, have a quick look around the car, and then I'll tell you what the plans are for the future. Cue B-roll. Right guys, so the plan with this, the Ford Fiesta S, it's a 2007 model, or late 2007 as you can see there, is to basically make it into a bit of a track car over the coming weeks / months. It might take a bit longer than I hope. First mod that I've already done off camera is, as you can see, the twin exhaust. Now this is something I really wanted to do. The exhausts have come off the Focus ST, the ST2. So I bought the full exhaust system from that, and wanted to use the Focus back box with these tips and have a proper twin tailpipe setup. But it didn't work. Couldn't get the box underneath. It was hanging too low because of the spare wheel pan. So I've had to rethink it. So in the end, we have got everything from the front to the middle standard with the front box included. Get into the back box. The back box is the front box off a Focus ST. So for the back box on the Fiesta is the front box off a Focus, and basically I've used the two twin tips just for show. They're not real, unfortunately, and for all using the comments ready to say something, it was the only thing that would work. It was that or just have a single exhaust. So we've got a twin look exhaust. It does look cool and it sounds alright too. Let's have a little start up now and have a listen. Right guys, so that is the twin exhaust. That's the first mod on this car. Other than that, it's completely standard. As you can see, it's got the ST body kit on the wheels, so it looks the part. Next mod is going to be a full coilover set. We're going to lower the car by about 40 mil, get some coilovers on it, and I'll do a full video on that, show you how to fit them, etc, etc. And just for the record too, while I'm on that subject, if you want to see any tutorials on this car or any other, please let me know. Send a comment, send me a direct message, anything. I'm always up for doing tutorials on anything, as that's sort of the base of this channel. But we're going to have a bit of fun with this car, do a few laps around it. There's also a POV drive video if you want to see me driving it around these very lanes, so check out the link for that. I'll stick a link on this video about now, and you can watch that if you so wish. So guys, that is about it for this video. I just wanted to show you the car and show you what I've got planned for the future. Of course. So like I say, the coilovers are going to be next, followed by things like air filter induction kits, wheel spacers, upgraded brakes, etc, etc, but we'll get to that when we do. Right, so that's it from me. If you want to see any other videos from tutorials or just generally anything to do with cars, let me know and I'll see what I can do. Other than that, I'll see you guys again very soon. Take it easy. Peace.